the grass grows tall, live creatures both big and small. Rabbits hop with nimble grace, in the open plains they find their place. Crocodiles lurk by the river's bend, silent predators, patient to the end. With eyes like gems they wait and see nature's ancient elusive spree. Amidst this wild and vast domain, zebras roam with striped terrain. Their hooves beat a rhythmic drum underneath the African sun. Each creature plays its part in this grand melody, nature's orchestra in perfect harmony. In the Serengeti's timeless light, they dance together day and night. So cherish this symphony, wild and free, of rabbits, crocodiles, and zebras you see in the tapestry of nature's lore. Their song echoes forevermore. Crocodiles lurk by the river's bend, silent predators, patient to the end. With eyes like gems they wait and see nature's ancient elusive spree. Amidst this wild and vast domain, zebras roam with striped terrain. Their hooves beat the rhythmic drum underneath the African sun. Each creature plays its part in this grand melody, nature's orchestra in perfect harmony. In the Serengeti's timeless life melody, nature's orchestra in perfect harmony. In the Serengeti's timeless life melody, they dance together day and night. So cherish this symphony, wild and free, of rabbits, crocodiles, and zebras you see